values TCS separated by space. Here length it want to work. When I submitted, you can see the totally we have printed 4 records. Now here my string is a company. This is also one more interview question. Finally, I don't want these special symbols only. Special symbols are nothing but hash, question mark, at symbol. We don't know which record okay. Here only 4 records are there. Out of 4 records, 3 symbols are there. For example, 3000 records are there. Each and every record has different symbols are there. Now I want to remove the symbols only. Then how can we do that? Okay. So I don't want these symbols, and extra I want to separate character by separate variable. I mean TCS, CTS, IBM, Optum. I want to display these values under one column. Numbers are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to display these numbers under one more column. Create 2 separate columns. Under one column I need character values. Create one more column. I need numerical. So is there any special symbols? I don't want those symbols only. Then how can we do that? This is my question. What is my point? So then here, understood question? So here my dataset name is AB1, set AB. Yesterday we discussed compress function. By using compress function, we can remove the all spaces. So here A is equal to compress of what is my variable? Company. Company is my variable, then run it. Okay. So plot print data is equal, my data set name is AB1, then run. Okay, now when I submit this one, only first record TCS and 1, 2, 3, 4 separated by space. So we remove that space by using which function? Compress function. So A I created my variable, then create one more column, B column. Under B column, B, concentrate on B only. I don't want a special symbol. So I don't want special symbol. Then how can we do that? Here we know already special symbols are how many? Hash is there, question mark is there, at symbol is there. Now B is equal to, here I am using compress of, what is my variable? Company. So in the above compress function, I use the only one argument only. One argument means inside the compress function, I have mentioned only one variable. Now here comma, I am using 2 arguments. Second argument, which values if you want to remove? Okay. Hash, I want to, next one is a question mark, next one is a at symbol. So please mention these values inside the single quotes only. What is my point here? So here, concentrate on B variable. Under B variable, I have mentioned the 2 arguments only. Second argument is, I have mentioned the whatever, even not only symbols, you can mention the any character value, any numbers also. We can remove them. Whatever we have mentioned inside the single quotes, we can remove all them. Okay. So here how many symbols I have mentioned? 3. But second here B column, I use the compress function. I use the 2 arguments only. But when we go for second related function, I mean compress function, second way, by default we can remove only these symbols only, not space. Space is there, TCS and 1, 2, 3 for space is available, right? So when we submitted, you can say concentrate on B column. Is there any special symbol? No, but is there any space? Space is there, because when we use the second syntax, second method, we can remove the all special. Everybody attended delimiter, right? Space, comma, pipe. Space is a 1 delimiter, comma is a 1 more delimiter, pipe is a 1 more. If anybody missing my in-file options, please attend tomorrow 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is a tomorrow, okay? Please check with the management, they will provide the link also. Okay, in file if anybody is missing, please, that is important. Today I have started, tomorrow I will go for remaining things. Okay. So concentrate, space is a one delimiter, comma is a one delimiter, pipe is a one delimiter. Pipe is a one symbol, comma is a one symbol. Hash also one delimiter only, et also one delimiter only, question mark also one delimiter only. These symbols comes under any other delimiter. What is my point? So by using second compress method, compress function, space also one symbol only. If you want to remove this space, then please mention, please give one space inside the single quotes only. So here see this space is there? Yes, space is there. I don't want this space, then please give either in between or first or last you are showing. I have given the only one single space is enough. Now I am submitting this one. When I submitted, concentrate on A and B only. In my B, there is no special symbols only. Even space also not there, special symbols also not there. Clear my point here? Now I want to go for third. Anybody any doubt, please let me know. Go for third. Still now, what is my exact output? I need character values under one column, numeric values under one column. But still we are not displaying the proper output. Only we have created A and B separate columns only. Now go for C column. Please remove, use B column. B is my column. Under B column, please remove the numbers only. Please remove the numbers. Then how to remove the numbers here? Please. C is equal compress up. So what is our argument? B or company? B is my variable. Now I am using B, not company. B, it is a combination of character and then we given all numeric numbers only. How to mention? All numeric numbers means? Any digit. 0 to?
0 to 9.
Ante, 0 to 9, 0 to 100, even 11 also, 1.12 also, 112, right? Okay, please mention 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I am removing all numbers only. Then what is the C value? Anybody please guess it? TCS, TTS. Now I am submitting this one. Now we printed correct one. Yes or no? This is a one way. How many arguments I used it totally? 2 or 3? 2. This is a one argument. This is one argument. 2 arguments only. Each and every argument separated by comma. Then what about character values here? Anybody? A to Z. Caps or smaller? Caps. So sometimes our values are small also, right? Then we have to mention how many letters A to Z? 28 or 26? 26. Then again smaller case and upper case. That is a very big process actually. To avoid that purpose, I will go for next one. Okay? So that is a third syntax only. As of now, how many are in constant and first compress function? I use the only one argument only. When we use the one argument, by default we can remove the spaces. Go for second column, I use the 2 arguments. So when we use the 2 argument, second argument, whatever values if you want to remove them, please mention those values inside the single quotes only. That is the second argument only. Now I will be use the third argument only. Okay, maximum we can use 3 arguments only. Okay, now here I am using D is equal to compressor. Okay, compressor. Go for. I am using which one? B is my variable. B is my variable. Now I want to remove the digits. Remove the digits only. Digits are nothing but numbers, right? So at that time, second argument is a null. As per our syntax, second argument always it should be null. Third argument, that is called a modifier only. What is my modifier means D. D stands for the digits. Indirectly we are removing the digits only. We are removing digits only. No need to specify the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Directly D is enough only. When we mention the D, we can remove all digits only. Then what is the D value? Anybody guess it? TCS, CTS, IB. D value and D value both are same. Now here I am supposing C and D both are same item. Now go for B is equal to again B. Second argument is a null only. Third argument A. A is alphabetics. I need alphabetics only. Then indirectly removing. Then what is the value here? We are removing the alphabetics. Indirectly, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is okay. So A means we are removing the alphabetics. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? This is our final output only. So sometimes at the time of interview, they will give one string only. That is a combination of character, numeric and special symbol also. Finally, they are expecting character values under one column, numeric values under one column. So we can go for compress function only. Okay. So here, final output, I don't want some columns only. Which column I don't want? I need A column I don't want, B column I don't want, C column I don't want. I need only because they are expecting only 2 columns. Under one column, character values, under column, numeric. Imagine this is a drop, right? Drop is equal to which one? A, B, C. When I submit it, now company, you can see company is a combination of character, numeric, special thing. But concentrate on D and E. Under D, you can see the only character values. Under E, you can see numbers. Clear? I mean, fine. This is our, we can do like this in the real-time scenario. That's the reason functions and manipulation purpose. Online guys, anybody any doubt here? Yes. Clear? Okay, so then I will go for next one. Next one is here, F is equal to compress of B is my variable, then comma. So here I am giving KD. What is this stands for KD? KD stands for keep digits, vice versa. D stands for the remove the digits. KD stands for the keep the digits. A stands for the remove the alphabetics. KA stands for the
alphabetics.
So here F is equal to which column here? D, E, F columns are there. So F is equal to only digits. Only digits means E and F both are same, right? E and F both are same or different? E stands for indirectly digits. What about F? Indirectly remove. Both are same. E and F both are same. You can use A or you can use KD. A stands for removing the alphabetics. KD stands for the keep digits only. Okay, your wish. Now when I am submitting this one, you can see here E and F both are same. Now I need D. D is the alphabetics only. Then anybody please let me know any other way. Compressor. I need alphabetics only. Then D comma A stands for alphabetics. Then here G is equal to which column? Only alphabetic is the only alphabetics. So here only alphabetics. D, I, E, I, F, R. D. Removing the digits.
Okay.
Then alphabetics. G is equal to also. Clear, right? Okay. Now I am 17. Doubt anybody? Here D and G both are same.
Sir, you are giving null over there.
And so second syntax, as per syntax, second argument, it should be null only always when we pass the modifier. So when we pass the modifier, if you want to why we are giving second argument is a null, while discussing the PDV, program data vector, okay, after few more classes, at the time I will explain why we are giving as a null my second argument. Okay. So back end, we are submitting and we are printing our output. Once we submit it, before displaying the results, PDB process is going on. At that time, I will explain. Please remind me at that time. Okay. So next one. Next one is a F is equal to compress of B. B. Then again so on. So here U. What is the stands for U? U stands for the we can remove the upper cases. L stands for the we can remove the
Lower cases.
okay. So whatever. A stands for alphabetic. So what is my point? Okay. Now U stands for the all upper cases. Here all these are upper cases, right? So under B column we are removing all upper cases only. When I submitted concentrated H values you can see only never. Okay, because all are uppercase B concentrate on B only. I will print it B column. Okay, B I am going to print it. Now please submit. So concentrate on B only. Under B column, TCS uppercase, CTS also uppercase, IBM also uppercase, Optum also. I want to remove the all uppercases. That's the reason my modifier is a U. If you want to remove the lower cases, then L stands for the lower. Okay. So here, if in TCS, CTS, IBM, Optum, is there any letter common here?
Yes.
Which one? Only IBM, just expect IBM. TCS T is a common, CTS T is a common, Optum. Okay, now here HI is equal to compress of E, this one. Second argument. Here I am passing second argument. Which values if you want, I need only which letter?
T.
T. Please mention T. Then third argument, K. K stands for the keep whatever values we have passing in the second argument. We can display those arguments only. Indirectly we can do other all values. Okay, other one. So T, remaining values, remove it. Got in my point here, like this. Keep whatever value. For example, I am giving the IBM. T, S is there, S is there. So if I mention yes, only T. So here it will check the each and every record. So we printed TS only. Here T is there, S is there. Here also T is there, S is there. But here there is no value. That's the reason we are displaying as a null. In the last one, which value is there? Outer we mentioned TS only, but we have only T is there. So that's the reason we have to mention T. Sometimes in the interview they have given totally 3000 records are there. Each and every record wise, I need so and so records only, I need only. They will give one more string only. Stances Software Solutions, IBM Software Solutions, TCS Software Solutions, Optum India Limited. Here which one is a common one? Software. I need whatever values are having software, I need those records only. Remaining records I don't want. So at that time this is very useful. Please mention software and again one more is required. here, what are the values? Are finally I need company is my variable here. Finally I need company values has contains the TS letter on here. Maybe there is a first two letter or last letter or middle letter. I need those records only in my output window. Then how can we do that? I have given one task here. Totally 10 records are there. Each and every record company value only. But some company values contains the TS letter only. T, yes, I need those records only. I don't want the remaining records. Got it my point here? Then here we got a TS record. On top of that, please if I is equal to TS. If I is equal to, what is our output here? If I am mute here, if I is equal to, here is mute. If I is equal to,
Sir, what is small d, sir?
small d caps D and you can mention D caps also. Okay, modify that is a mere small use and caps use and it works. Okay. So now if I am submitting this one, anybody please guess it how many records you can display it in my output? Two only. Only two, because two records only contains the TS letter. Okay. If I don't want the remaining all columns only, which one? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, something, G, H, I, also. Now if I am submitting, only we can display the one column. It's all company. Okay. Right?
G is spaceless.
Okay, G, H. Now I am submitting. Only two records. Why two records? Because these two records only contains the TS letter only. Clear my point here? This is one. Anybody any doubt here? Okay. So this is a compress here. Modifier, sir, we have some other modifier. For example, one more modifier I will explain. I am removing this one. TS only. J is equal to compress of B. The second argument is a null only. Third argument I am passing the P. P stands for the punctuations only. Punctuations. What is mean by punctuation means, is there any record having any symbol, irrespective of the symbol, whether that is a comma, pipe, tab, or percentage, hash, @ even space also. We can remove all symbols by using which one modifier? P. So when we concentrate on J column, when I am submitting, you can see there is no space only, there is no hash only, there is no question mark only, there is no something, okay, at symbol only. Because in my second argument hash, third argument question mark, fourth argument is a get symbol, first argument is a space. We can remove all spaces, all delimiters, space, comma, pipe, hash, tab, everything. We can remove it when we pass the, which one? Yeah, P. Punctuations only. So we have done compress function. Anybody any doubt here? Okay. By using compress, they will ask this question. They will give one string value that is a combination of character and numeric. So we have to separate the both values at a time. Sometimes our account number contains the special symbols only. I want to remove the special symbols. Then how can we do that? But you can pass the P also. Otherwise, P pass this ఏమవుతుందంటే అకౌంట్ నెంబర్స్ మీ డెబిట్ కార్డ్ కానీ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ మీద నెంబర్ చూస్తే సపరేటెడ్ బై డాష్ ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ అన్న డాష్ కూడా రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది పి యూజ్ చేస్తే. కాబట్టి అక్కడ పి యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో అప్పుడు మీకు ఏ నెంబర్స్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలో ఆ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని మెన్షన్ చేయండి. మీ థాట్, ఓకే, మీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బట్టి యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. ఫైనల్లీ మీ నీడ్ రిజల్ట్స్. వాట్ ఇస్ మై పాయింట్? బ్లైండ్ గా పి యూజ్ చేస్తే okay, don't use the P. P is sometimes very useful, but sometimes very crucial also. You check your data set first, source data, then use it. Clear my point? Okay, next one is the last three more functions here. Data, my data set name is AP, X is equal to Stances, software solutions. So here in your next our function is a index. Index is our function here. In your textbook, we can say the index pages only. Yes or no? I want to search the WBC word only. Okay, my textbook is a 10,000 pages only. But out of 10,000 pages, I don't know which pages are having WBC word. Then go to your index page, go to W word only. You can see the page numbers. Yes or no? Page number. In which page number WBC letter is there, we can check that. So what is the purpose of index means? Index is, main purpose is we can display the exact position. In which position that letter is available, that position we can display it, we can extract it, and we can display that exact position by using which function? Index function. For example, y is equal to index of, so what is my argument? X is my argument here. So now I want to verify the t value. So anybody please let me know what is the t starting position here in my X argument. So this is the first position, this is the second, but first occurrence only, so t is repeated totally 3 times or 4 times, right? It's first occurrence only. First, when our t value is available, t letter is available, we can display that the exact position by using which function? In. Now if I am submitting, now you can see it here, our y is a 2 because second letter t value, second position. Clear my point here? Now if I am using z, anybody please let me know. Null, zero now. Zero. Zero means there is no z letter in my string. So that's the reason 0. Got in my point here. So now t only. Next one is I am going for that is equal to find. Find of x comma. Again I am using t value. Here what is my next function? Find function. Find x comma t. So this is an interview question. What is the difference between index and find? So syntax wise both are same only. First argument is a variable. Second argument which letter if you want to. By using index and find function at a time we can verify the single letter only. Not word. Not more than one letter also. At a time because 2 arguments only applicable. First argument is a variable. Second argument is a which letter if you want to substitute. Okay. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting this one, both are 2. So by using find function also, we can verify the exact position of. What is my point? So now if I am using z and z, here also z, here also z, then what is our value? 0 because there is no z. So here again I am using t only, again I am using t only. Now my second argument is a t, this is a caps only. Second one is a index and find both are case sensitive only. Both are case sensitive. So now please count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I am submitting this one, we can see the 12 and 12. But as per my requirement, they are saying irrespective of the cases only, whether that is a lower case or upper case. I want to display that t position only, whether that is a lower case or upper case. Then how to ignoring the cases only, how to ignore the cases. So in my index function, if I am passing one more argument, what is my third argument? It stands for the ignore the cases only, ignoring the but see this, I am not submitting. So go for this. What is our error here? Index function call has too many arguments. Every time in the index function we can use only arguments only, but I am using how many arguments? 3. So conclusion point, by using index function, we cannot ignoring the basis. Okay, because at a time we can pass the how many arguments? 2. So then please remove this one third argument and please mention I in my find the function. Now please submit this one. When I submitted this one, y value is a 12, z value we can see the 2. Okay, z value you can see the 2, but y value is a 12. Then what is the difference between index and find here? By using find function, we can ignoring the cases. Index and find both are same only. By using index and find function, we can display the exact position, that position. But by using find function, extra we can ignoring the cases. By using index, this is not possible. Got it my point here? Okay. Now I will go for next one. What is next one here? Index C. Index C. By using index C, at a time we can verify the more than one letter. We can pass the n number of arguments only. There is no limit here. Got it, my friend? For example, here I want to verify the A, B. B is my second one. Next one is a C. Next one is a yes. Okay. Now anybody please let me know here. So what is my results here if I am submitting this? So in my X argument, I am searching A letter, B letter, C letter and S letter also. Which letter is available? A sensitive, this is also. A unda, B, A and capital. మరి లేదు కదా. Next B. No. C. Yes.
Yes.
Which letter? Which position? So now first position. Okay. For example, in which here small s is there, small s, and capital S is there. Now here. Just guess it and let me know whether we can display the 5 or
1, sir.
small s is there, capital S is there. Both display అవ్వదు, ఒకటే డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. చెప్పండి అది 1 or 5?
1, sir.
1. So when I submitted 1 only, so S in my string, X is my argument, capital S is there, first position, then we can display it, that's only, not this one. ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ లో ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఉంది కదా అని ఇది కాదు డిస్ప్లే. ఇది ఇందులో ఏది ఉంది ఫస్ట్ అది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. It will check inside the string only which letter is available first, that one we can display it. What is my point here? This is a index C. By using index C,
So how many ever letters we give? Only one that will be displayed in output, sir?
yes, only one. Only one. Even if I am giving E is also there, okay, A also there, T also there. All these values are there. Here E is there, here A is there, here T also there. But by default we can get the only one. Which letter is there first? Capital
S.
Okay.
So then what is the use of passing so many values here?
I will give tomorrow one task only by using index and index C. This is when it will be useful, means this is only function, interview purpose. But how to use this is in the real time scenario means just wait for 1 or 2 days, I will give one task. Okay. This is very useful at that time. Okay, got it. Now I will go for next one. Next one is y is equal to find W, not find W, index W. Index W. W stands for what only? What? Now I want to verify the software word only. Anybody please let me know here, what is the software starting position here? And don't say 2, that is the second word, don't 2. So what is the exact position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth position. Software is starting position. Software word starting position is a 9th. So when I am selecting this one, we can see the 9th position. Okay. 9th position. So this is also how to use this one means. Just wait, I will give task also bit complex only, but not now. We need 2 more classes only and we give it. So these are the character functions here. We have done all character functions. Then pending item is a numeric and date functions and date functions here. So I will explain numeric and date functions in my tomorrow class. So I will opening my question paper. Just wait. These are the whatever we have discussed the functions. Anybody please let me know whether we have completed or not. We have done or not, Campbell and compress. Okay. Inman treatment sheet book.
Yes, sir.
Translate and transfer.
Yes, sir.
Cat, x, length, C, index, C, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is a input and put function.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is a substring and scan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only pending item is some more round seed floor. These are the INT, difference between functions and procedure. These are the some optional sub function. I will explain in my tomorrow's class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we can complete entire 24th bit. 24th bit we can complete in my tomorrow's class, and day after tomorrow's class we can complete our entire 24th question. What is my point here? Okay. So 24th question means we are in the last days only data step question paper. I will complete my data step Friday. Monday onwards I will go for rock step. Which step? When we start a data step, anybody exact date? I mean what is our first day of the class? In which month? December month or November month? Or
November month, sir. November, sir.
November in which day? Which day exactly?
Second, sir.
Sorry?
Second, November 2nd.
Oh, November
So
2nd.
November.
November 2nd means we'll go for November 6th or November 10th also fine. November 10th, December 10th. Okay, November 10th, December. So 1.5 month is over. Yes or no? 1.5 month is over. Then again 1 more month is required for. Again 1.5 month is required for talk step and advanced SAS. Totally how many classes? 90 classes I said, right? So almost we have done 40 classes or 35 classes only. Remaining 40-45 classes required only to complete entire my SAS course. Okay. Again C-disk wise again 90 classes required only. C-disk wise again how many classes? 90. My suggestion, start C-disk new batch next month only, January month. After Pongal, I think, please utilize those classes only, because otherwise you have to stay again 3 more months, right? So that's the reason. Parallelly, simultaneously, you can attend C-disk classes and these classes only. If anybody wants to attend in-file statement options, please attend tomorrow my 8 AM batch only. Still doubt anybody? Online guys? No? So we'll meet tomorrow to discuss.
Sir,